back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. I am sweating a lot right now because I'm filming without AC. It's pretty hot out here, so please bear with me if I look a little sweaty. So today's video is like a clothing haul kind of video plus like vacation outfit ideas kind of video, whether you're going to a chilly area or it's going to be like a beach destination. So I recently got some outfits from Stock by Love and I have purchased quite a lot of times from them before, but I've never really shown it to y'all in like a video or something. So yeah, let's get started. So the first outfit is this one shoulder white shirt that I'm wearing. I absolutely love this shirt. I love white shirts. There's so many ways you can style it, and this one just has its edge to it with this off shoulder touch. I think it looks really nice, and I could pair this with anything possible. So like you can see, I've paired this with just a simple pair of jeans. You could pair it with ripped jeans, you could pair it with shorts, skirts. I think it will look stunning with skirts, or you could also wear it with a long skirt, like an ethnic skirt, and give it a different touch. Then when you're on a vacation, you can just carry this and pair it with different options that you already have. Talking about off shoulder, I have another off shoulder top from SBL, and again this is one of my favorites from the entire haul. This red checkered top, it comes with a belt that goes around the waist, and I absolutely love this top. I love anything checkered, and for me this is more like beach destination kind of a top. You could pair it with your denim shorts, you could pair it with some ripped jeans. I love pairing it with ripped jeans. I think it looks really nice like that, and the color is beautiful. The quality is nice. It's cotton, it's comfortable to wear, and like during the summer I think it's a very nice option. So we all know that animal prints have been in trend lately, and I love them. For me, like, they are like classic prints. I love anything animal print and I cannot have enough. My next outfit is this gorgeous animal print dress. It's like a knee-length dress and I absolutely love it. It has this ruffled kind of sleeve. It's very pretty, and for me this is such a nice stylish vacation outfit as well. Like, I could wear this if I have to go to a nightclub when I'm on a vacation. I think it looks really nice. If I'm in a place where it's not very cold but it's nice and chilly, then I would pair it with like thigh-high boots and a leather jacket. So yeah, I wish I had thigh-high boots, but I like the way it fits on me. I think it looks really nice. Another piece that I bought from them is this black and white vertical striped dress. This is like shorter than knee length, and you have this tie up at the waist as well. I love the length of this. Again, it's not too short on me, so I'm comfortable to wear it. And again, I would love to pair this with nice boots. You could also wear a leather jacket again if you are in a slightly chilly climate. It has flared sleeve and it looks really nice. Very cute dress. Now if you're not someone who is into short dresses, I do have two options for you as well. And the first one is something which is so comfortable. I love the color. It is this gorgeous floral print jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits. You can wear it any time of the year, and something which is floral is so beach kind of outfit, and I just love this color. I love the print, I love the color combination. It looks so beautiful. It has a waist belt as well. This is slightly loose for me. I do have to get this altered. It is so comfortable to wear, looks so beautiful, and you look like fresh all day when you wear colors like these. For those who like long outfits, this one again is a very gorgeous outfit. It is this long checkered dress. It's like a pencil fit, and this has a tie at the waist again. And when I saw this on the website, I really liked the style of it. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. This is something I would love to wear on vacations, like especially if I'm going abroad. I think it looks really nice and classy, and I would love to pair this with boots. And if it's a little more chilly outside, I would pair it again with a jacket. The sleeves are also a little long. It kind of has a corporate look to it, but I think it looks really classy. Like boots, jacket, glasses, I think this would look so classy. The last piece that I want to show you guys is one of my absolute favorites from this entire haul, and it is a jacket. I know that winter is over, but this is something that you could wear anytime when you're on a vacation, you're traveling. It is a suede jacket. It's not going to be too warm. This is very lightweight. It has this nice detailing at the collar, and it has quite a lot of pockets. Like you have a pocket here, I have another zip pocket here, and you have another pocket here. So I really like when my jackets have pockets because it's so convenient to keep your stuff, like something that like your mobile phone or something like that. In a brown suede jacket is so versatile. You can pair it in so many different ways. You could wear it with short dresses, like if you have a sleeveless dress, you're not comfortable with it, you could always cover it up with a nice jacket. Like I would love pairing this with even my ethnic dresses, like an ethnic maxi dress. And again, you could also wear this with anything like a shirt, t-shirt and a jeans. Pair this with a jacket. I'm so happy that I got this. I just love this so much. So guys, those were all the outfits that I picked up from Stock by Love. I loved the outfits that I picked up. I have worn these pieces lately when I was traveling, and I absolutely loved them. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know which were your favorite outfits from this video in the comment section down below. Do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.